This is one of my summer delights. Are you still wondering how you can make your own chocolate popsicle? Worry no more. I'm gonna show you step by step how I got it through. All you need to do is to sit back and watch, and I hope you'll get to try it. So here I use my heavy cream. So I'll be listing out the ingredient that I use for this recipe. And here my condensed milk. So I'll be whisking all to well combine until it peaks. So you have to check the consistency of what you want. So it's better to peak and fluffy for you to get the right result. So you can see. So here I'm transferring it to my ice popsicle mold. So feel free to use any mold of your choice for doing this. So I'll be listing out the ingredient that I use on my description. Please check it out. Here I'm inserting the stick for the popsicle. This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. All you needed is to get the right ingredient and you're good to go. So I'll cover it and do the rest off camera. You can see all well done. So I'll be putting it in the freezer and let it freeze. It's better to freeze it overnight for the best result. So here is my melted chocolate, and I'll be pouring in my crushed cashew nuts, and I'll mix everything to well combine. You can see. And this is my popsicle. It came out so well. This is very easy. If you can do it, no need to buy again from the store. This is very easy. You can get it on your own and do it. So I'll be dipping it on my chocolate dip and let it dry a little bit before putting it on the tray. Hope you get to try this. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and my Facebook page. So remember, please subscribe and follow my page. Like my video and please share and comment. Thank you so much. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I do appreciate all you do for me. Thank you. You can see it came out so well. Hope you will get to try this. If you get it, I tell you, you will not buy any more from the store. So this is very easy. Just all you need to do, just follow the step I have shown you. So here I'm putting it on my plastic so that I can freeze it the more. This is perfect for summer and easy for snacking. Hope you'll get to try. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.